So we will look at contains duplicate, and the question is, given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct or unique. And here we have an example that we have an array that has elements 1, 2, 3, and 1, and we return true because 1 appears twice. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are all unique values, so then we would just return false. So here the first thing that we would do is we would have set num length, and then we would convert the nums into a set, and then we would get the list of it. Then we would get the length of it. And what set does is it only stores unique values, so there are no duplicates. So let's say that if we have a list or an array that has 1, 1, 2, 3, and when we convert it into a set, we would be left with 1, 2, and 3. So here we would do set nums, and then we would calculate the length of it, and then we would do num length, and then we would calculate the length of the nums list, and then we would compare if the length of both of these is the same or not. So if num length is the same as set num length, that both of these contain the same number of elements, then we would return false, which would mean that all the elements are unique and distinct. Otherwise, we would return true. So let's run this. And there you have it.